our distinguished guest of honor. With a remarkable career spanning 3 decades as a senior girl cadet instructor at 1 Telangana Girls Battalion NCC Secunderabad, she has empowered over 2 lakhs cadets, fostering leaders across diverse fields and embodying dedication, excellence and a tireless commitment to shaping the future of generations. Let us accord a warm, thunderous applause to celebrate Ms. Saroj Bala Thakur Garu's remarkable contribution to education, leadership and nation building. So, may I now request our guest of honor, Ms. Saroj Bala Thakur ma'am, to kindly come forward and share her thoughts with our distinguished audience.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Kalavati Garu. It's really beautiful and very, very soothing to the ears when she is doing her MC part here on this, captivating everyone's mind and soul also. Thank you so much, Mrs. Kalavati Garu. It's really beautiful and very, very soothing to the ears when she is doing her MC part here on this, captivating everyone's mind and soul also. Thank you so much. It was really a wonderful evening. Good evening, everybody. Hari Om. Hari Om. See, being a professional, we go back again to our own special feature. So, how are you this evening? I think during this journey, completely starting from the program till now, we are not sitting here, I feel. As not sitting in this premises, I just went through the complete India, touring along with those two, the parent as well as the child, in search of education. It's really beautiful. The thought itself to start with, okay, we should know our own country, our own roots. By knowing the culture, its importance, this is something very, very educative. It is not just entertainment today. The day every parent, every child, every teacher in this type of educational institutions we wait for is the annual day celebration. Isn't it or not? Do you all agree? Yes. Because a child who has come to the school, they always feel annual day vastadi, na prize vastadi, stage మీద నేను prize తీసుకుంటా, నేను dance చేస్తా, my parents will feel happy. And I could see so many children when they are performing on the stage, looking for their parents. Daddy, mommy, నువ్వు నన్ను చూస్తున్నావా లేదా? Some of the parents also coming forward and taking the videographs. This connect, this moment is really, really a great moment in this competitive world where we are running after achieving success, running after livelihood, running after doing something great, different, competitively in all the fields, wherever we are. But this moment which we are enjoying today, feeling today, getting connected totally is a mesmerizing evening, I feel. Don't you all agree with this? Yes. Even the parents, tomorrow on the Chai Pe Charcha, when they go to their office, mere bete ne aaj ye kiya. He got this prize. I got that prize. My child has done this. There'll be a discussion. That momentary situation which just touches your heart and gives a giggle into your heart and soul, gives that happiness. Every day we all are going to the office. Sabere jaldi jaldi tiffin box bana rahe hain. Going, working there, coming back. By the time you reach, your child already has been going to school, coming back, doing the homework, attending some of the class, and thereafter spending only a little time. Most of the parents could not even take dinner with the children in the family. But today's moment, wherein we all are celebrating, as a guest also today, I'm feeling so happy to be among us these small tiddy tots. Every day I'll be with the adults, the students of 8th and 9th class and degree, where we'll be strictly ruggedifying them for the drill, shooting, then making them read, speak, do the anchoring part, drawing, painting, all these things we are very busy with, and then bilkul danda party. Stand up, sit down, run, do the push-ups, all these things. But apart from that, this lovely moment, I really thank the management, the chairman, the director, the teachers, the parents and the students of the complete fraternity of Rajdhani Residential School. Hearty compliments, because the way they have said, Raja, caption itself, Swarashtre Pujate Raja. Within the country, within the Rashtram, a Raju is being worshipped, whereas Vidwan Pujate Sarvatra. Everywhere the Vidwan is being worshipped. Pujate. Yes. The temple of education, which is institution. And this institution, what I have learned today, it is empowering the children, not just in attaining their certificates, academics, but also the right way of living, which is very, very important in today's AI world. I think this is not the right time for me to speak about all these things. Everyone knows everything. But yet, I should always mention the beautiful thought of the management of having the cows around, that is the cattle, exclusively, which gives a lot of positive vibe. In some of the books it is written, in the Vedic books and other things, if you are surrounded by the cows, the vibes itself will heal you. In the same way, when you are coming and saying Namaskar and doing this Hanuman Chalisa and other things, yes, this takes us back to our roots. And in chanting these mantras or shlokas, they will help in building up the respiratory tract and remove all the toxic material from the body out. And this exercise itself will keep our kids very healthy throughout. This is what is the beauty I felt. And the way the institution is craving for NCC organization for their institutions, it is really a great endeavor. Yeah, of course. The NCC is such an organization which not only builds up a person's career, but an overall development is created within an individual at a very, very crucial stage of life, the formative stage of life, wherein the adolescence, it takes the children into a diversion, distraction, which is very, very important to channelize in a right way and in a proper energized manner. That is what is very important. And the institution wherein all these values, the institution which instills the legacy of the culture and heritage is always requires salute. And we salute the management and the parents also who has encouraged. And today I could see the complete barricade is full. This seating arrangement is not sufficient. Most of the people are standing. It's really a great, wonderful audience which is present here, who are thoughtful about the children, making the nation much ahead in nation building. That's really a great and a wonderful thought of people who are coming here and witnessing the children. Most of the parents, we find they do not have time when they go for the night duties and other things, and the children are here. But yes, from the eyes of the children, it is really obvious and very clear that they are looking for their parents, and the connect that they want to exhibit their talent to their parents, which they had been practicing all these days. Yeah, wonderful. And I do not want to extend my speech. I wish all the best to the institution. Children who have achieved so many things today, bagged so many medals, proficiency certificates, and they have learned the extracurricular activities. It is really a wonderful event. I may not be such a big person, but yes, of course, I've been watching so many children growing up, lakhs of people till now, from my 30 years of NCC journey, or almost 15 years of my school journey, where I had been teaching so many children. It's really a wonderful time which I have achieved. And thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. One of the parents was also saying that I wanted to develop my child till they go into 10th class. That is really a great, wonderful thought of some of the mothers who are actually nurturing the children and taking them to the right way. Because as we are proceeding towards technology, the AI may be taking up its dominance at that time. The person who is operating this AI system, they should have certain values. Otherwise, mana robo, chitti, the first chitti will disappear and the next chitti will start coming up. Then you have to be running, saving your own life. That should not happen. And thanks to all those mothers who have taken a decision of giving their children the best till their 10th class. Yes, thanks to the fathers also who are cooperating rather than running around to earn money, save for future. Every child has got their own talent. Every child has got own beauty of excelling in their own way. They can survive. We are only the directors of their life. We are not the creators of their career. They choose by themselves. It is only the best thing what we can give is the values. To give them the right way of energy, the channelizing of their energy should be in the right path. And that is what the teachers, the parents, and everybody needs to do in today's world. And you all are doing, I don't have to tell. Yes. With this, I would quit. Thank you so much for giving me this beautiful opportunity. I thank Krishna Mallela and his wife, my ex-NCC cadets, almost 20 years before they have traveled with me in NCC journey, excelled today. I really feel very wonderful when I see all my students, my own cadet, my own student becoming my boss. Yeah, that was a wonderful moment. And working with officers like Lieutenant Colonel Anand Rao, he was also one of my officers, whom with we had been working. Yeah, almost so many great people we had been working, learning, and everyone should unlearn, learn, relearn. This has to be the concept in our lives for everyone. Thank you once again. Thanks a lot, ma'am, for this wonderful opportunity. All the best, kids. Say Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Wonderful.
Leaving us with valuable takeaways, let us express our appreciation once again with a warm and enthusiastic round of applause, dear audience. Yes, that's the Josh. Thank you all. And now, Let's take the moment to applaud once again our Rajdhanians' dedication and success. Excellent attendance and punctuality are the cornerstones of a student's success. Regular attendance enables students to stay on track with their learning, foster a strong relationship with teachers and peers, and develop essential habits for future success. In recognition of their outstanding commitment to attendance, we are pleased to present the top. Dear parents, let's make noise. The class must continue to boost up our children. Yes, thank you all.
Thank you.
Next I call upon Lakshita Kalmanagari.
Congratulations. So many medals you will be there. And thank you, madam.
Next may I call upon Reddipalli Riyanshi of PP2.
Madam, look here. Madam.
Next may I call upon Nirala Rahitya of PP2.
Madam, look here. Single key पर रखना.
Nirala Rahitya of PP2. Next I call upon the topper of grade 1, Naman Kumar Challa. Next I call upon.
Why are you hesitating?
And look here, look here.
Next I call upon the topper of grade 2, Yellamanchili Shanmukh Veda Chowdhury.
Ma'am, look here, ma'am. Ma'am, look here.
Next I call upon the topper of
Yes, look here.
Next I call upon Yeruvas Yashasri of grade 4.
Madam, थोड़ा distance maintain करिए थोड़ा.
Dear parents, please make noise. Encourage our Rajdhanians. Yes, they are all our students.
Change your dress.
Yes, ma'am, look here.
Grade 5, Bhojanapalli Nihal.
Look here, ma'am. Yes, yes, look here. Thank.
Next I call upon Ganji.
आप वो लेंस कहीं का आस्ते में? अच्छा. पीछे हट जाओ थोड़ा सुकून से ले लो. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ready. Ma'am. Ma'am, look here. Ma'am, please. Center में लीजिए, center में लीजिए. Close, close, madam, close. Yeah. Yes, look here.
Next I call upon Kodula Geetika from grade 6.
Yeah.
The class must continue, dear audience. Thank you.
Yes, look. Yes, look here. Smile. Good. Thank you.
Next I call upon the topper of grade 7, Ihan Sheikh.
Tiger.
Ihan Sheikh and Sripati Hari Samhita. Ihan Sheikh and Sripati Hari Samhita.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Look here. Thank you.
announcement. The parents of pre-primary to grade 3 can go and have their dinner.
Yes, ma'am, look here.
The arrangements have been made near the admin. We kindly request you to go and have. Dear parents, where is the Josh? Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, look here. Yes. Time.
Next, I call upon the topper of grade 9, Syed Mutahar Ali. Syed Mutahar Ali.
Yes.
Now, let us acknowledge the remarkable achievement of our pre-primary students who have demonstrated exceptional regularity. Children, parents, dear parents, we should really appreciate the students for being completely available throughout the year. They have been really being in touch with their teachers, their peer friends. So let's all appreciate them.
Yes, ma'am, look here. Ma'am. Time.
G. Main worship of grade 6.
हो गया एक ही लाख बच्चा है. Yes, ma'am, look here. Smile. Thank you. Next.
Let's give a huge round of applause, dear parents. Dear parents, here is an announcement. To avoid the crowd, we have asked all the parents of pre-primary to grade 3 to go and have their dinner. We request everyone to kindly cooperate for the smooth functioning of the program.
Okay.
I request pre-primary annual report. Thank you.
Hari Om everyone. I solicitly welcome the Honorable Vice President Srimati Vanaja Lakshmi Garu, Dr. Ravitejas Naidu Garu and Dr. Divya Madam, Vice Principal Sir Sri Kommineni Venkateshwar Rao Garu, distinguished guests, parents, teachers, students present over here. It is with great pride and joy that we welcome you to the annual day celebrations of Rajdhani School, a school deeply rooted in culture, tradition and values. Today, we come together not just to celebrate another successful year of learning and growth, but also to honor the rich cultural heritage that shapes our identity. Our Rajdhani School was established in 1988 by philanthropist Sri Makkapati Chandrasekhar Rao Garu. Our school's mission is to enrich lives by creatively enhancing and sustaining quality education in a relevant global environment. It aims to provide a nurturing and stimulating learning atmosphere that fosters intellectual growth. By integrating traditional values with modern techniques, Rajdhani Residential School prepares students for future challenges. We at Rajdhani School believe that education is more than academics. It is about understanding and appreciating our roots, traditions, and the diversity that makes us unique. Through our culture-based curriculum, we strive to instill values, ethics, and a sense of belonging in every student. We ensure that our students remain connected to their heritage while embracing the modern world with confidence. The inception of our Rajdhani School is driven by the need to create an environment where students learn not only subjects like mathematics and science, but also the traditions, values, and artistic expressions of the community. Our goal is to create a space where children grow with pride in their heritage, developing a holistic understanding of the world around them. In a rapidly changing world, a culture-based school like Rajdhani School serves as guardians of tradition, shaping responsible and culturally aware individuals who carry forward their legacy with confidence and dignity. The school emphasizes holistic development, integrating physical, social, emotional, intellectual and spiritual growth into its curriculum. It upholds values such as dharma, duty and responsibility, satya, truth and integrity, shanti, peace and harmony, and prema, love and compassion, aiming to instill respect for rules, moral values, mindfulness, and cultural understanding in students. With your due permission, I now present the annual report for the academic year 2024-25. As we share the yearly updates of our activities, we take the modesty to say that we did our best to do as we had planned, and we are proud of our students and teachers who strive hard to achieve beyond expectations. We have focused on the holistic development of the students. We have always been committed to create an environment in the school which helps the young mind to blossom and provide a platform for individual thinking and holistic development of the child's personality as academic session witnesses repositioning, restructuring and refocus. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Achieving academic excellence is at the heart of endeavor of all educators and academic institutions. An important measure of this pursuit is how the institution has performed, the most important of which is the annual school-ending examinations conducted by the CBSE. We are proud to acknowledge that we had good result, achievement in academics, co-curricular and extracurricular activities throughout the session. I proudly place before you the achievement of our students and progress of our school, where all our staff is committed, dedicated and hardworking. Learning gives creativity, creativity leads to thinking, thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. The year 2024 commenced on a wonderful note when the results of our grade 10 came out. We are happy to share the glad news that our 10th grade students who appeared for the academic year 2023-24 in board examination passed with flying colors. We achieved 100% results, wherein we congratulate Master P. Vishal, who has topped in CBSE board examination 2023-24 with 96%. Excellence in academics is a hallmark of any good institution, and our grade 10 students proved that. Students of all the classes from nursery to grade 9 have performed very well in their annual examinations conducted in the academic year 2024-25. SOF Olympiad was a significant academic event where our students excelled in subjects like English, mathematics and science. Around 129 students were awarded by gold medals and 26 students got qualified for the national level. Their outstanding performance reflects their dedication and hard work of our teachers in preparing them. None of these academic achievements would have been possible with a single-minded commitment and dedicated care of our teachers and parents who gave a constant support. The morning assembly is an integral part of our school culture, setting a positive tone for the day. It fosters discipline, moral values, and a sense of unity among students and the staff. Our uniqueness at Rajdhani Residential School Assembly could be seen in narrating Hanuman Chalisa on Tuesdays, Bhagavad Gita shlokas on Saturdays, meditation every day, along with assembly activities conducted in the morning assembly. The pre-primary wing of Rajdhani has a vibrant and enriching year filled with engaging activities designed to foster creativity, confidence and holistic development in our young learners. We have conducted color concept activities to help the children understand the significance of colors. The much awaited fancy dress competition conducted in pre-primary was a delightful event where our little stars dressed up as their favorite characters, creative themes like community helpers, etc. This competition not only boosted their confidence in public speaking, but also nurtured their imaginative thinking. To instill cultural values, which are Rajdhani's roots and enhance memory power, we conducted Shloka chanting competition. Fantasy Fusion was a unique event that allowed children to dive into the world of fairy tales, superheroes, and magical storytelling. Each of these activities played a crucial role in the holistic development of our students and making learning an enjoyable experience. Coming to the celebrations sharing the happy and cherished moments together and spreading joy all around is an important aspect of RRS we follow every year. Guru Purnima, Janmashtami, Raksha Bandhan, Ganesh Chaturthi, Batukamma, Diwali, Christmas, New Year, Sankranti, Vasant Panchami and Holi were celebrated with great zest and enthusiasm. The investiture ceremony, Independence Day, Teachers' Day, Children's Day and Republic Day were celebrated with great fervor. The Rajdhani School's Foundation Day was celebrated on November 27 this year, reflecting the significance of years. Students of all the classes exhibited their skills in the form of dance performances, skits, piano, xylophone, music, etc., which helped them to showcase their skills. Special days like International Yoga Day, National Mathematics Day and National Science Day were celebrated in a grand tenure. Strength does not come from physical capacity, but it comes from unity. We in Rajdhani School have conducted many inter-house competitions in sports in which all the four houses, Dharma, Prema, Satya and Shanti, have performed their duties in conducting competitions in a systematic and disciplined manner. Coming to the co-curricular and co-scholastic activities, various co-curricular activities are held to develop a child physically, morally, socially and mentally to improve the skills in co-scholastic areas. Here in Rajdhani School, we have conducted many programs like quizzes, competitions, etc. To cope up with this competitive society, it is necessary for our students to get updated and increase their caliber. So, we have conducted maths quiz on the commemoration of Sri Srinivasa Ramanujan birthday on December 22nd this year. Spell bee competitions were also conducted at 3 levels for all the classes. As a part of the curriculum, we had field trips for all the classes wherein pre-primary students to grade 4 were taken to visit Nehru Zoological Park. Grade 5 students along with secondary students, that is from grade 6 to 10, were taken to One Day Kisan, which imparted knowledge to them along with joy and learning. And students were taken to wild water parks where the students had loads of fun. Our students showcased their linguistic skills in spell bee competition held at 3 levels for all the classes. There were many students who excelled themselves in their language skills. The fireless cooking competition brought out the talents of our students where they prepared innovative and nutritious dishes. In accordance with this, we have even organized for Food Fest by encouraging parents and students in setting up their stalls featuring many varieties of dishes which fostered the teamwork and entrepreneurial skills among them. The communication show was a highlighted program which we organized this year with much enthusiasm, which provided a platform for the students to showcase their public speaking, debate and presentation skills. Coming to the sports achievement, to be a great champion, you must believe that you are the best. If you are not, keep on trying. Sports competitions inculcate the spirit of positive challenges and sportsmanship among the students and prepare them for the life ahead. We in Rajdhani School give importance to sports, games and physical activities wherein it is important in our curriculum. Our students participated in different sports competitions and won medals, certificates and trophies. Our Rajdhani girls won first prize in inter-school volleyball competitions held in DPS Nacharam. Our RRS boys won first prize in inter-school volleyball competitions conducted under 14 in PJR Stadium, and girls won first prize in inter-school throwball competitions conducted under 14 in PJR Stadium, and Kho girls won second prize. Our Rajdhani girls won first prize in throwball, second prize in volleyball, and our boys won second prize in volleyball conducted under 14 in RRS Sports Tournament in Baurampet, where many schools all over the city have participated. This year has been one of growth, learning and accomplishments for our students. Many milestones are to be reached by Rajdhani School. We at RRS will continue our unceasing efforts to mold the young minds into well-balanced personalities with confidence and zeal befitting the standards of value education. We are proud of their achievements and grateful to our teachers and parents for their constant support. We look forward for many years of success and excellence at Rajdhani. Thank you so much.
Provided us with a comprehensive overview of our school's accomplishments. A big round of applause, dear audience. Dear audience, it's time to continue and witness our cultural events. We see that the daughter continues her journey without losing hope, along with her faith, and travels to Telugu states. Mana Telugu Rashtralu goppa charitra kalavi deniki ade saati, ade edi ekkuva kaadu takkuva kaadu. ఆచార వ్యవహారాలలో సంస్కృతి సాంప్రదాయాలలో చాలా గొప్పవి. తండ్రి మొదటి నుంచి వెతుకుతున్నట్టుగా సంస్కృతి సాంప్రదాయాలతో మానవత విలువలు నేర్పే పాఠశాల దొరుకుతుంది అనే నమ్మకంతో హైదరాబాద్కు చేరుకున్నారు.